Have you ever wondered how GENS brings copper to life? It all starts with premium copper materials processed with precision and expertise. Every process is carefully controlled to ensure accuracy, consistency, and beauty. Hi, I'm Mandy from GENS. Here we transform our copper into architectural and decorative excellence. From bending and welding to testing and assembly, every step reflects craftsmanship and innovation. Now let's take a look at our showroom, where copper design meets inspiration. Here you can see our copper curtain wall systems, roofing and decorative applications up close. Each piece tells a story of precision and durability designed for unique architectural visions. Trusted by clients worldwide, GENS continues to create lasting copper beauty. We offer customized copper solutions made for your needs, built to last.